So a lot of people are under the impression that compost is a fertilizer. It's actually not. Studies show that it's actually relatively low in readily available nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. Instead, it slowly releases these things over time. Think about it more as adding fresh soil to the garden or a soil enhancement. What we can do though is we can make compost tea, and we can put compost in a liquid form to make nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium more readily available for plants to uptake. But the other thing is that we have all the protozoa, the microbes, the mycorrhiza, all the really good bacteria, the good stuff we can't see. We can add that to our garden with compost tea, especially when we aerate it and expose it to oxygen. We are gonna have some kick-ass soil. All right, we're gonna start with 1 cup of compost. 1 cup existing garden soil. Okay, so I added these things into the bucket loose leaf style. If you prefer not to have all of that organic material mixed in with your water, you can just put it in a cheesecloth and essentially create a tea bag. That would be beneficial if you're gonna use something like a weed sprayer. This tea recipe is good as is with just the garden soil and the compost, but I wanna do a super boost. So I'm actually gonna add 1 teaspoon, this is a half teaspoon spoon, of Epsom salts and 2 tablespoons of Blackstrap Molasses. Now I'm also gonna add liquid kelp, but not until tomorrow. I wanna do that after the aeration cycle is complete. Let's give this a stir. Now we're going to add a bubbler. I bought this on Amazon for like $19. Why? The same reason that you turn a compost heap. By introducing oxygen into the matter here, we're gonna speed up the population process of all of that beneficial bacteria.